Hard starting or extended cranking. A dirty or leaking injector can make your engine harder to start. If one injector is not delivering enough fuel, the engine may crank longer than usual before it finally starts. On the other hand, if an injector is leaking or stuck open, it may flood the cylinder or upset the fuel mixture after shutdown. That can also make starting difficult. This is one of those symptoms that people sometimes blame on the battery first. And yes, battery, fuel pump, and ignition problems can also cause hard starting, but injectors belong on that list too, especially if hard starting happens along with rough, idle, or strong fuel odor.